dumpster rental service in Worthington, Indiana. For dependable dumpster rental service in Worthington, Indiana, look no further than MK Rolloffs. We specialize in helping homeowners, contractors, and businesses manage waste efficiently and affordably. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out a garage, or overseeing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. Our team offers several dumpster sizes, so you'll always get the best fit for your project. We prioritize prompt delivery and pickup to keep your project running smoothly. Our experienced staff is here to assist you with selecting the right size and answering any questions. We believe in transparent pricing, with no hidden fees or unexpected charges. As a proud local business, we understand the specific needs of Worthington residents. We keep our dumpsters in excellent condition, ready to handle anything from household debris to heavy construction waste. We're committed to making the rental process easy and convenient for you. No job is too big or too small for our team to handle. You can count on us to be there when you need us most. Reach out to MK Rolloffs at 812-798-7308 and discover why Worthington trusts us for top-notch dumpster rental services. Let's keep your project on track together.